Hello there, my name's Alex, and I'm your go-to expert on all things Chrome browser cloud management. Chrome browsers can be managed via multiple types of policies. We support both machine and user types of policies, as well as cloud and local deployment methods for policies. All that can be a lot to manage, but hopefully by the end of the video, you'll have a better idea of policy precedence. First, let's discuss what local and cloud deployment methods are for policies. When you deploy any sort of configuration on Chrome via Microsoft Group Policy on Windows, manage preferences on macOS, manage application configuration on Android, and app config on iOS, Chrome considers those as local policies. They are applied locally on the device. Cloud policies are any sort of settings that are deployed from our Chrome Browser Cloud Management admin console. Now let's talk briefly about policy types. When you apply policies on the machine level, they are enforced in all instances of Chrome at all profiles. User policies allow certain policies to be applied either at the Windows user level or at the Chrome profile level, depending on the deployment source. So for example, if I sign into a Chrome profile with a managed Google identity that has some policies deploying from the user OU, these policies are considered cloud user policies. If I have some policies configured in the HKCU registry hive in Windows, these policies are considered local user policies. Chrome does a really good job at showing you where policies are coming from and as well as what types they are. Let's take a quick look on how you can see that information. If you navigate to Chrome://policy in your browser, you can see all the data related to Chrome policies. In my device, you can see that I am managed by Chrome Browser Cloud Management at both the user and machine level. I have a bunch of policies deployed on the device, and some are cloud user, and some are cloud machine. My admin has left a bunch of policies in the GPO, and therefore some are showing as platform policies. Notice how some of my policies are showing as warning conflict under their status. Let's click on Show More for the extension install block list, and you can now see that I have both a platform machine and a cloud machine policy applied, and Chrome has selected the platform one as the active policy. We can easily change the precedence order in the admin console. Let's go to our admin console and see how that's done. Under Settings, Users and Browsers will filter by category and will search for sources. We have 3 policies that allow us endless options on how Chrome applies policies. The first one is the precedence itself. Notice that by default, machine policies apply first. These are shown as platform machine in the Chrome://policy page. Next is machine cloud, OS user, and Chrome profile is last. Under the dropdown, we have a few options that allow us to change the order of precedence when it comes to policy conflicts. Let's choose the second option and then save settings. Going back to our browser, you can now see that the cloud machine-based extension install block list is applied instead of the local one. Now let's say that sometimes you have the need for both extension policies to apply, cloud and local ones. When it comes to dictionary and list type policies, you can use one of our settings to merge them into one master list. Let's see how that's done. Let's go back to the admin console. The second and third policies in the sources category deal with merging of policies. The third one allows for cloud user policies to merge with machine policies. The second one allows you to choose which kind of data types you merge. We always tell our customers to just put a star in there and let all policies merge. Let's do just that. Going back to our browser, you can now see that the extension setting policies are merged from both data sources, and we now have a much larger extension install block list. Final thing I'd like to cover is the fourth option under the policy precedence policy. This choice is beneficial for customers that have Google identity as well and allows the ultimate flexibility for managing the browser. For example, you could lock down the browser extensively at the machine level, and then based on the user that signs into the managed profile, the experience could change to allow features or extensions. This could allow for users to sign into their personal Gmail account, but be blocked from syncing most items or from installing extensions while at the same time having the full experience on the corporate profile. So there you have it, all the ways you can configure Chrome by using precedence policies. Hopefully, this allows you to create some unique and dynamic configurations in your environment. To learn more on this topic, check out our website or get in touch with an expert. We hope to connect soon. Happy browsing!